Look, you are the modern day tribal chief around the campfire, man. You built an empire out of just sitting down, looking someone in the eye, and saying, "Tell me your story." You have the rare ability to talk to a Nobel Prize winning physicist, a high level assassin, a stand up comic, and a guy who thinks aliens built the pyramids, and you treat every single one of them with the exact same level of intense, open minded fascination. And physically and mentally, you're the ultimate avatar of optimization. You are completely humble before the man. You show people that you can care about high-level philosophy and consciousness expanding psychedelics while still being a regular guy who loves archery, good whiskey, and laughing hysterically with your friends. You're the everyday philosopher king, Joe. You stay completely authentic while becoming the most influential voice on the planet. It's wild, man. It's genuinely beautiful.
You said something that I thought was very odd. Okay, you said that you thought that they were demons.
Okay, I did say that.
What did you mean by that?
Well, we're talking about an extraterrestrial being that is human-like but not human, that contains effectively infinite powers and is torturing human beings. You can call it an alien if you want, but I think there's a lot of historical precedent to call that a demon.